If you're seeing an Epic Games network error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the launcher working again. We're going to start with the simple checks first, then move into the more effective network and cache fixes that usually solve the problem. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, check the Epic Games server status. Before changing anything on your computer, it's always worth making sure the issue isn't on Epic's side. Open your browser and go to epicgames.com, then look for the Epic Games Store and login services. If those services are showing as operational, that means the servers are probably not the cause. But if they're having issues, you may just need to wait until Epic fixes it on their end. Next, restart your router. A simple internet refresh can solve a lot of connection problems. Unplug your router from power, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This gives your network a chance to reset and refresh your local IP connection. Once the router fully reconnects, try opening Epic Games again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to flush your DNS. This clears out old network information that may be causing the launcher to fail when it tries to connect. On your keyboard, open Command Prompt as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. You should see a confirmation message once the DNS cache has been cleared. After that, restart the launcher and test it again. Now, disable any VPN or proxy you might have running. VPNs and proxy tools can interfere with Epic Games connections and make it look like your internet is broken when it's really just being blocked. Turn off your VPN, close any proxy software, and then relaunch Epic Games. If the error disappears after this, you found the cause. Another very useful fix is clearing the Epic Games launcher cache. This is one of the most common solutions for network-related launcher problems. First, completely exit the launcher from the system tray, not just the window. Then press Windows key +R, type %local app data %, and hit enter. Inside that folder, open Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved and find the web cache folder. Delete the web cache folder completely. After that, reopen Epic Games Launcher and sign in again. A fresh cache often clears the network error right away. If you're still getting the problem, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus just to test whether security software is blocking the launcher. Sometimes Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus can interrupt Epic Games traffic. Turn it off briefly, then try launching Epic Games again. If that fixes it, you'll know the security software is the issue and you may need to add Epic Games as an exception instead of keeping protection off. The next thing to check is your system clock. A wrong date or time can cause login and connection errors because Epic Games needs your system time to match properly. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, and click Sync Now. Make sure your clock is accurate, then go back and test the launcher again. This sounds small, but it can absolutely cause network problems. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the Epic Games error network issue. If you want the quickest path, start with server status, then restart your router, flush DNS, clear the launcher cache, and check your firewall and clock. That combination fixes most launcher connection errors for Windows users. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe so I can keep making more simple troubleshooting guides that save you time. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment below with the exact error you're seeing and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.